Hi everyone. If you are still trying to scale your drawing in model space and ending up with messy prints, stop doing that. Today I'm going to show you the professional workflow on how to make model to layout in AutoCAD correctly. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up your page manager, create viewports and lock your scales so your drawings look perfect every time. I have this layout which I'm going to pin into the layout. Before that, your drawing should be in 1:1 scale, and this drawing is right now 1:200 scale. First I will change the scale. I will use scale command, select all, and 200 times, and this drawing is now into 1:1. You can see that now it is 16,000. This is also 16,000. Now click on layout here and you will see this view into your layout. First we will select all and delete, it is not required. Now we have to set the page setup manager. Right click on the layout, click on page setup manager here, click on modify, and here we have to select our printer. I will select drawing to PDF, and here I have to select the paper size. I will select A1, and if you want to print into black and white, click on monochrome here, OK, and close. Now our page setup manager is done now. Now we have to bring our title block of your company. I have this title block. I will copy. Title block should be in 1:1. I can measure here. If you are working in layout, your title block should be 1:1. It is 841, so it's perfectly matching with 1:1. Click on paste here and type here 0,0. Enter. Your title block is set now here. I will use a plot to set the white background. Select on window on this point to this point. Apply to layout. See preview. Exit. Now it is perfectly aligned. Now we have to bring our model into the sheet here. We use the command MB command, which stands for model view. Type here MB, enter. Here we have to select the space in which you want to show your view. I will select from this point to this point. So this is my layout view, and here we have to set the scale. Click on here scale, and if I will use 1:200, it is big. I have to make 1:200. So what I will do, 1:200 is not there, we can add our own. Click on custom, click on add, and I will give the name 1:200 and change the drawing units to 200. OK, OK, and now click here and you will find here 1:200. Now you can see that the drawing is perfectly aligned. Now double click, and here you can lock the view now. Lock pad is there, enter, so it will not change now. Now if you want to remove this border, for that we have to click here on layer off here and select this one, enter, yes, the border will be gone. And here you can change the scale of your drawing here. Type here LTS 1 only. If you want to make it more visible, you can make it 0.8. You can see that, or again LTS I will 1.5 I will use. So it is looking perfectly aligned. The drawing is still looking colorful. I will click on plot here and I will again select monochrome and preview. Now the drawing is looking black and white. Cancel this one here. Same way, select the title block, right click, edit block in place here. And here you guys can change your text block. We'll simply copy this one and edit, give your drawing number as per your company policy. Same way here, you can copy one, edit, sheet maybe 01, and you can change the rev E0 or E1. Click here, edit, and save changes. Now you can plot, preview, and plot. So this is the output. So in this way, you guys can use model to lay out in perfect way and professional way.